Hello there. No. It's been a long time since I've made any videos for this channel, and I want to start getting back into it. I want to start making videos again. So I'm jumping in with this one. This is my first motorcycle. It's a Sym Wolf Classic 150, a Taiwanese bike. Perfect for learning on, and this is actually going to be the biggest ride so far that I've done on this bike. I'm going to go on a little day trip adventure to explore some of the lesser known areas of Marin County, my home county, which is just north of San Francisco in California. Gonna go on a little ride on the back roads and explore some of this beautiful part of the county that's a little more tucked away, and also look into some of the history there. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Let's go. So we are going to West Marin, and West Marin is quite different than the rest of the county. It is more rural, less densely populated, and there's a lot of, not agriculture I don't think, but definitely a lot of dairy and cattle and pastures. So you'll start to see the landscape change as we head in that direction. Okay, the last time my fingers were this cold was when I was stuck on top of one of the tallest peaks of the Himalayas in India. I'm not even joking. That's the last time my fingers were this cold. Look at this. Sketchy. Now this is... I didn't even think about that there would be fog. Oh my god, can't see a thing. We're getting into it though, we're getting into West Marin, here we are. Okay, we are now on the back road to our destination, which is Nicasio. And it looks like there might be a little break in the fog up here, which would be great. Yes! Made it. Okay, here we are. We are in the town of Nicasio, and this is one of West Marin's little villages, I guess you could say. It's literally just a baseball field and a few old buildings, a restaurant, this famous church, St. Mary's, and it's surrounded by pastures and all this open space, beautiful nature. But this whole region has a long history. This area was full of beef and dairy farmers in the 1800s and 1900s. A lot of these buildings are original. They're still here from those times. Just up the road, there's a schoolhouse from the 1800s. This church was built in the 1860s, St. Mary's Church. So, right when I got into town, I just started causing problems. I was flying the drone, trying to get some shots of the church over there, and stupidly backed it up right into a tree, and the drone got stuck right in the tree. All these guys showed up out of nowhere, and we started throwing rocks at the branch, trying to hit the branch to get it down, but it just wasn't working. And then, out of nowhere, a truck with one of those lifts on the back showed up and saved the day. I was just really lucky, I guess. So yeah, causing chaos in the small town of Nicasio within 20 minutes. My bad. But anyway, that aside, this is an old village. It's been here as Nicasio since the 1800s, but people have been living here for thousands of years before that. You know, the original people that lived here were the Coast Miwok. And this village used to be called Echetamal.
We go back at least 13,000 years that I know of, which is a long time. A lot of this is not documented. And the reason is within 20 years, in the mid-1800s, when the settlers came out, it took 20 years to get rid of the natives, to make them gone off the land. They were gone through, diseases, through moving, relocation, reservations. Unfortunately, it was legal to kill an Indian at one time. A combination of things made it a short amount of time that they were out of here. And actually, until recent years, it was almost buried, to be honest with you. The truth of it was almost buried. I would talk to so many people, and so many people couldn't tell you who was here or what. And so I've kind of taken on some projects to bring light to the Miwoks. I have a statue project, which is really changed things in Marin. I mean, we're able to talk about it. So that's going to probably be in a couple of years. We have this, elaborate statue planned so that the future generations can know what was here. We want something that will greet the people when they come into Marin County and say, hey, this is our land, and will inspire people to go and research it and look it up and talk about it. Local people too, tourists, local people, young, old, whatever. And, just really inspire people to learn about the Coast Miwoks.
We're heading back down. Oh, nice.